A turbocharger uses the energy in an engine's exhaust gases to produce compressed air, which it feeds back into the engine. By doing this, it plays a big part in enhancing the engine's performance and reliability. The Mitsubishi Heavy Industries large turbochargers, known as MET series, are widely used for 2-cycle and 4-cycle diesel engines and gas engines of 1,000 kilowatts and higher. MET18SRC, developed as a small turbocharger, has realized high reliability and efficiency to meet the need to apply the performance and reliability proved in large turbochargers. A MET turbocharger incorporates a silencer, a scroll, a gas casing, and a bearing pedestal. On the inside, it has high-speed rotating components such as a turbine rotor, a turbine wheel, and a compressor impeller. Maintaining high turbocharger performance at all times is very important to ensure high engine performance and reliability. This means it is essential to understand the structure of the turbocharger and to apply this knowledge in turbocharger maintenance. In this video, you will see how a MET18SRC turbocharger is disassembled, inspected, and reassembled.